people are come from all over the world, and they gather together around food. And for me, it's something like so special because they bring ideas together, they connect, they're from all different cultures, which food-wise, it's also something great here because you're able to have a multicultural cooking. Right now, I'm working on bringing back some of these recipes than I have from my area in France, from Brittany. And so I'm a lot about, seafood. I just want to make like a nice fish mousse and nice little quenelle and make it like an Armorican sauce. And it's something that I know back in France people used to love that. So I'm hoping, I'll bring that soon and then people enjoy,